In this video, let's see how to navigate and manage the Ringless voicemail sections and campaign details. In the navigation bar, click on Voice Outreach. In the Ringless voicemail section, you can view a list of broadcasts. Use the navigation tabs to check their status. Select the Processing tab to see broadcasts currently in progress. Check Other status. In the navigation bar, click on All under Ringless voicemail. In the navigation bar, click the Reset button. In the Actions column, click the three-dot menu icon. In this drop-down you can see View and Delete option. In the Actions column, click the View button. Here's where you can check the analytics for your voice broadcast. Use the navigation menu to easily view the status of each number. In the toolbar, click on Export Data.